Today's lesson is space investigations and planning, process, and production skills. Our science learning outcome is participate in guided investigations, ask questions, and present observations. And our DT outcome is put together components of materials to create a product. Do you know about the photographer Sami Al-Alabi? He is famous for his photographs of the night sky. Many of his photographs were taken right here in the UAE, in Abu Dhabi and Ras Al Khaimah. Have you ever thought about traveling to outer space? What would you wear? Would you wear a swim outfit? No. Would you wear an outfit for cold weather? No. How about a spacesuit? Yes, to go to space, you will need to wear a spacesuit. And if you wanted to make a spacesuit, what would it look like? What materials could you use? Here are some spacesuits made by kids just like you. What materials do you notice? Maybe boxes, bottle caps, CDs, paint, stickers, brown paper bags, aluminum foil. And now, how would you get there? If you wanted to go to outer space, what would you use to get there? Could you take a camel? No. Could you take a car? No. A hot air balloon? An airplane? A rocket ship? Yes, a rocket ship can take you to outer space. Let's sing a song about taking a rocket ship to the moon.
Attention all astronauts, please report to the rocket ship and prepare yourselves for blast off. Thank you.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have blast off.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have blast off.
All right, now let's imagine that we're taking a trip to the moon. What does the inside of our rocket ship look like? We can take a look at some pictures from the internet of what the inside of rocket ships look like. This is the space cabin, where the astronauts control the way that the rocket ship flies. What do you see? Maybe you notice there's 2 chairs, there's buttons, computer screens, and a window. Here's another picture of the inside of a rocket ship. What do you see? Maybe you see computers and cables, windows, and outside the window, space, and the planet Earth, where we just left. If you were to make a pretend rocket ship, what would it look like? And what materials might you use? Here are some pretend rocket ships made by kids just like you. Maybe they used boxes, aluminum foil, or gray trash bags. They probably needed scissors and tape or glue. I see some light switches, some numbers, bottle caps. And now let's imagine that we've landed on the moon. What do we see? If we look down, we would see the surface of the moon. What do you think the moon is made of? What color do you see? The moon is made of rock and metal, and it's mostly a grayish color. But if we were to turn our eyes up, we could see our home, the planet Earth. What colors do you see? I see blue and green, a little tannish yellow brown color, a little bit of white. It's time to get back to Earth. Now it's time for you to explore today's learning by designing and creating. Your assignment is to design and make a product using materials and tools. You can upload a picture or video to the LMS. You might use resources that you already have around your house. Recyclable items such as cardboard boxes, empty plastic water bottles, bottle caps, or aluminum foil to help you make a space station or astronaut suit. Your challenge, should you accept it, is to enhance your design by making improvements. Make a video about it to share with your teacher. And as always, you can add a writing extension. Start an astronaut journal to record drawings and writings of the things you see from space. That's all we have time for today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our learning, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!